Hi friends! Again, thank you for watching this channel. I just uploaded the unboxing of my Dior Saddle Card Holder, and in this one I would show you the things that I plan on putting in this saddle card holder, just so you can see just how much capacity it can hold. So I'm planning to transfer some of the stuff from my Louis Vuitton on front and also my very basic card holder. I commute to the city, so I need my driver's license and my Metro card in California, San Francisco. I won't hold it close so you won't see it. So these are the things that I'm planning to put in there. So my driver's license, my transportation card, my debit card, and my library card. Okay. And then I'm also planning to put a little bit more of my credit cards. I'll put in my Amex and also my Visa. Basically the things that I use every day in here. I have a few more cards, but really the use of this wallet is to use it for the things that I would use every day. So since, as I said, I commute to the city every day, this wallet has a few different pockets. So in the inside of it, there's a few inside pockets that you can use, and then even here, like the easy access pocket in the front, and it also has an access pocket in the back. So what I would do is put my transportation card in the back pocket. Okay. And then in the inside, since this is very important, this is an identification card, I would put it in the inside pocket of this card holder, the Dior Saddle Card Holder. And then I would put my debit card where it's easily accessed. I don't really want my debit cards in the insert because it's kind of like harder to get to. So I would put it right in this roomy area. Okay? And then this credit card, so I love shopping, so I like carrying my points card, right? So I would put that in the actual insert of the card holder. So because I would only use it if absolutely needed. And then I have a backup card because sometimes, when you're traveling or you are kind of like wanting different points for your different cards. I only have two. So I would put that in here as well. Okay. Okay. So right now there are two cards in the middle portion of this card holder, and I would also put my library card in here. And there's still room. You can see there's still room. So it definitely can hold more than what I am putting in this. And technically, if I want, I can shift my debit card into the front, because that's one thing that I use more often. So it's more accessible that way. And then I can still put a little bit more coins and bills if I want. So can be actually pretty nifty. So I put coins in there, and then let me see if I can put a couple bills. into the card holder. Of course, you have to fold it up, right? And see if it can work as my party wallet. And it does. It works out that way. So that's it. That's everything you can fit in there. There's still a little bit more room in there, but it has 2 bills, $40 worth of bills, my ID, my library card, my debit card, a few coins, my go-to credit card, and my transportation pass, the Clipper card. If you live in Northern California, you have the Clipper card when you commute. So that's it. And it actually feels good to the touch when it's filled out like that. And I really like this card because it was able to combine the few things that I normally use my current wallet and my very basic card holder before. So now, everything that I need is in my Dior Saddle Card Holder. You can be creative. I think you can actually put a little bit, if you only have a few cards that you're putting in here with your identification, it can also work to store your keys. I have very bulky keys because I have a card key and also my house keys. There's a few. I have a couple of house keys. So they might just be too bulky for this space right here. But other people, if you have those slim style keys, they may be able to fit here just fine if you're only using a few cards, if you're only inserting a few cards inside of this your saddle style card holder. Very functional. I love it.